Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home. Happy New Year's. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys some Christmas cleaning motivation. It is time to begin to take down some of my Christmas decor in my bedroom. I'm going to start there and let's get into this Christmas cleanup motivation. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I have a lot of work to do, just taking down even one Christmas tree. But I do like to spread a towel out and kind of lay out all of my decor items, and then I am going to be reusing this lace, and so I'm just rolling it onto this paper towel holder. I will probably reuse this for spring, so this is not going to get stored in my Christmas decor stuff, but I do want to keep it neat and tidy. I like to organize my Christmas decor in 3 different categories: ribbons, florals, and ornaments. And then I like to use inexpensive containers from the Dollar Tree. I also get the Dollar Tree Ziploc bags, and so I'll use the Dollar Tree containers to kind of make separate compartments in my larger containers, and that helps me kind of organize and separate out the different florals and the different ornaments. And then the individual, I'll get the gallon size bags. That really helps me to keep some of my specialty ornaments in better shape so they don't have as much age or breakage. A budget-friendly tip I have for you all is to set aside some of your larger boxes that you may get shipments of gifts in the mail, and also some of the bubble wrap. You can use that to repurpose and pack some of your Christmas breakables in. I also love the large shipping boxes at Walmart. They're very inexpensive and very handy. And now I'm just going to go ahead and take down my garland. I do have one large tote for all my garlands, and I do put the flocked garlands in those totes inside of some garbage bags. Okay, you guys, here is the method to my madness. I have a Walmart tote with then this Dollar Tree separator in this tote. So I've got all my gold ornaments in here, and then the pink ornaments will go on this side, pink and red. So I have room still for my living room tree. All of the specialty ornaments that were on my pink Christmas tree in my bedroom. And then in this tote, I have everything that's possibly going to be reused for spring. So that's kind of how we're going to begin some more spring DIYs. We have all the ribbon to choose from, probably not the gold, maybe, and then some heart pillows. And then I also have my winter ice skates in there. Those will be relocated. And then we have all these beautiful roses. Of course, I'm going to use those in my spring DIY. And then here is more of my pink Christmas. This will all be boxed up and go into the garage until next year. And then here's the large tote that all of my garlands are going to go in. So there's the method. And now I get to take down this Christmas tree. Another thing that is super helpful for me is to clean as I go. I also work from room to room, so I get everything down, cleaned up, and then move to the next room. And this was actually a 2-day process, so you guys hang in there, you can do it. Now we are going to work on my living room Christmas tree, and I'm so thankful I have my daughter and my nieces to help me with this, because you guys know how much I love to decorate. It was a lot of work taking all of this down. So again, I'm going to sort it into categories, with it being florals, ribbons, and then ornaments. And then I'll begin to pack those all away in my little boxes. To store my Christmas tree, I always just put mine back in the original box that it came in. I've done it like this for years and it works just fine. And thankfully I had the kiddos also to help me remove this garland. We removed the garland with everything on it, and that way everything was safe, it wasn't popping off. So I piled everything into the middle of the floor that was on that garland. You guys probably saw it was decorated very heavily. So I'm just putting all of my garlands into this storage tote, and then I'm putting all of the larger florals in with the garland as well. That way next year when I get it out, I'll have it all together. And then again, we're rolling all of the ribbon onto the little toilet paper and paper towel rolls, and then separating out some of the poinsettias will go in a separate container. And that is the method to my madness, you guys. I hope this is helping you get organized. A lot of you have asked me questions on how I store all of my decor, and here it is. It's not fancy. Again, I love to repurpose and reuse, and it feels so amazing to get all of this tackled, and thank goodness I had the girls' help. I don't think I could have done this as quickly without them. So once I have everything all boxed up and put up, I'm going to go ahead and slide everything over to the garage door, and Mr. Romantic will put it up on the garage shelves for me. And then I'm going to just go finish the cleaning process. I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine cleaner. I do have a coupon code below if you guys need some yummy smelling cleaners. So thank you all so much for joining me. I hope this gave you some motivation. I want to wish you a very happy new year. Thank you all for all of your kind love and support. It has truly meant the world to me. If you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. We are heading into the new year with a ton of fun new decor that we can do. We can go winter whites, spring, Valentine's Day DIYs are coming up. You guys know that I am a crafting crazy person, and so we're definitely going to get our craft on. I also do love to clean and organize. So if you guys need some cleaning and organizing motivation, we're going to be doing that on a budget. As always, stay tuned. I love you all so much. If you're new, I'd love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. Thank you, and we will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.